Om Shri Sai Ram. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply an admission form for 11th class. So first, you need to go to the website. Just enter sshss.edu.in. Just click enter. You will be redirected to the website of higher secondary school. So here if you see, there is admission menu, and under that you can see admission form class 11th 2022-23. Just click on that. So here if you see, this is the school application form class 11th. To open the application form, just click here and you will get the instructions first to apply or to send the application. So kindly go through the information. I think this link presently it is not required. Application issue date, it is from 15th to 10th. So the application form online will be closed on 10th, on April 10th. So we need to apply before that. So the last date for submission is 24th. So after applying application, we need to send the required certificates to the college. So we need to send those before this date. So entrance date will be intimated later through post or through any call or website. Aadhaar number is mandatory. Only one application per student is permitted, and attachments to be submitted along with application. So after applying, we need to send these documents to them. One is application form and test confirmation and rejection code. These two we will get after applying, so we can take a printout and send to them. And here we need to take a xerox of Aadhaar card and send, and we need to send the marks cards of 8th class, 9th class and 10th half yearly copies. So presently if you are not completed 10th class, you can send half yearly marks. And you also need to send one 10 rupees postal stamp cover, so that if you are selected for entrance exam, they will send you a post using this postal card. So send the downloaded form to the following address in A4 size cover on or before 24. So you need to keep all these documents in a A4 size postal cover and send to this address: to Principal SATHYA SAI Higher Secondary School, Prashanti Nilayam, Anantapur District, phone. So you need to send through speed post or registered post or professional courier or DTTC courier or by hand. So once the form is filled and submitted, it cannot be modified. Kindly ensure that you are entering all the data correctly. You can only apply one time. So firstly, you need to select what is the course you are going to apply. So here if you see, there are many courses: MBPC, MPC, Computer Science, MPC and one language, BPC and one language. And in the commerce, we have MCAE, Mathematics, Commerce, Economics, and it also includes Computer Science. Or if it is not Computer Science, you need to take one language, and here also one language. So these are the subjects involved in this. So you can select any one, and if you need to select a language, you need to select here. So if you select MAE, you need to select one of the language. If you select other things, there is no language, so it will show it is not allowed. So here you need to enter the full name of the student, then male or female, then it is the address of the student, state, country, pin code, email ID, confirming email ID, phone number of parent, and if you want to add second phone number, you can add here, and date of birth, year of appearing 10th board, so it will be 2022, medium, whether it is English, Telugu, second language, what is the nationality, and here you need to enter the Aadhaar card number, place of birth, religion, either Hindu community, either Kama caste or any other caste. And if you are one of these three castes, you can enter this is the caste. And you have to enter the father name and his occupation, mother name and occupation, what is the annual income combining both parents, and what is the mother tongue. And if your own brothers or sisters are studying in the same SATHYA SAI college or already studied, you need to enter their name and what is the relation and what is the course they are studying and when they studied. So if you have own brothers and sisters, then enter. Otherwise no need to enter any relatives or not, only own brothers and sisters. So here name of the school you studied and place, and what is the board of the subject you studied, or if it is other state boards you can enter here. And here you need to enter all the marks for each subject in 8th class, 9th class and 10th class. Finally there is CGPA, either percentage or CGPA. Then here you need to enter extracurricular activities, what you know. Public speaking, if you are good in public speaking you can select yes or no. Painting, drawing, drama, dance, yoga, singing, games, music. If you know music, what all music instruments you know, and what are the achievements you got, and have you involved any SATHYA SAI Bal Vikas or pre-Sevadal. If it is yes, then you can enter the what is the year. If it is no, no need to enter. And pre-Sevadal, if you done as a Sevadal in Prashant Nilayam or anywhere, you can just enter yes, and what is the, you can just enter the what is the aim and objective for what you have done Sevadal. And finally you need to make a payment of 100 rupees for this application, and you need to enter the reference number here. So once you click this link, you will be redirected to the different screen which is related to some SBI. You can just click here, you can proceed, and you can select payment category, whether it is application fee. If it is application fee, just select application fee, and you can enter the details here. Yes, for now you can enter, I'll just enter anything. You can enter group, you can enter Aadhaar number, here also you can enter your name, what is the date of birth, and phone number, and what is the mail ID, and then finally enter here text. So after submitting, you will be redirected to the payment sheet. So there you will have many options to pay. Just to show you, we'll just go and we'll just confirm the payment. And if you see here, we have got many options. State Bank of India, you can pay bank charges, other bank, internet banking, RuPay debit card, credit cards, UPI, you can pay through UPI or NEFT or SBI banks, anything. So after paying, you will get a number, reference number, SBI reference number. That one you can enter here, and kindly send a self-addressed stamp envelope along with this form, as it is mentioned in the instructions. Once the data is submitted, it cannot be modified. Kindly check all the data. And here you can just click submit and download the form, and also to receive a copy. As soon as you do this, the form, application form what you have entered will be downloaded, and you can take a printout. And in that printout you can just attach 2 photos and signature of your parent and the applicant, and you can send all these documents. So these 2 you will be getting the printout, you can download from the application form. These 3 you can put and you can send. So this is how you will apply application form admissions for 11th class. Thank you for watching. Sai Ram.